Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to create graphs in Lucidchart. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First, navigate to Lucidchart and either open an existing document or start with a blank canvas. You'll see a blank white canvas appear, with the shape menu on the left side. That's where you'll build your diagram. Look at the left sidebar for the shape menu. This panel shows various shape libraries and shape options. If you don't see the specific shape library you need, like flowchart, you can click More Shapes to add it. Now, click and drag a shape from the Shape menu onto the canvas. For flowcharts, common starting shapes include rectangles for processes, ovals for start and end points, or diamonds for decision points. The shape appears on the canvas, and you can move or resize it. To add text to your shape, double-click it and start typing. A text cursor appears inside the shape, and your text automatically centers within it. Next, let's connect shapes with lines. Hover over the first shape, then click and drag from one of the red connection points on the shape's border. These red circular nodes appear when you hover over a shape. As you drag, a line extends from the shape. Drag that line to another shape or to empty canvas space. If you drag to an existing shape, the line connects to it. If you drag to empty space, an auto-prompt menu appears showing shape options you can add. You can select a new shape from this menu to add and connect in one action, or click anywhere on the canvas to exit the menu. Keep adding shapes and connections by repeating this process. Your diagram grows with interconnected shapes. You can also hover over an existing shape to see blue nodes that allow quick connection to new shapes. To customize the appearance, select a shape or line and use the formatting toolbar at the top of the canvas. You'll see options for fill color, line style, and text formatting. You can change colors, line thickness, fonts, and other visual properties. Here are a few quick tips. Your diagram automatically saves to your Lucidchart account. When you're ready to share, use the Share button in the top right corner. If you need to export your diagram, head to the File menu where you'll find options for PNG, PDF, JPEG, and other formats. You can also group multiple shapes together by selecting them, opening the More menu in the top left, hovering over Arrange, and selecting Group. Thanks for watching.